everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Child of the 80s Project Pan update for you. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab, and it was created by Jaylon. It's in its second year. Last year she had 40 prompts. This year she has 80 prompts with the help of some wonderful people in the group. And yes, all about 80s pop culture. It is, you start with 8 prompts, products, whatever, and then you roll them. You can set goals, you can try to finish, whatever you want, anything makeup, beauty related, pretty much no like hard and fast rules, so to speak. And this is like my one major usage project because there's so many prompts that I want to get through, and I won't be able to do that if I make really hard goals for myself. So most of them I have easy goals. One of them I set a finish goal, and I probably shouldn't have, but it is what it is. So I do actually have some empties for you. Well, one empty, one roll out. So that means I'm going to have 2 roll-ins this time. I did do a screen grab of I have it all on a wheel on my phone. Hopefully I will remember to actually insert it. Yeah, I know on the intro I missed it, but I think I've done it every single time since then. You just never know what you're going to get with me. You just never know. So anywho, I'm going to have Jaylon listed down below, as well as the spreadsheet of everyone that has joined in. And let's get into this update. And of course, I forgot to tell you the dates. It's year long, January 1st, December 31st. And I suspect it will probably be coming back again next year. But it's not too late to jump on. If you want to do this project this year, come on, do your thing with us. We love having extra people jump into these projects. Once it's live, anyone can join in. You don't have to be part of the Facebook group. So have at it if you want to. All right. I'm going to just go through the order which everything came in, and we'll do that. I'm going to read the prompts as they were put into the group. 35, Relax Duran Duran. That's your favorite bath or pamper product. This is for pampering my nails, which I have not had a chance to do. It's the Avon Nail Soak, and I want to finish this one. At the rate I'm going, I'm never going to finish this because I just don't have time. I don't have time, but I need to find time because my nails are looking a little ratchet right now, so they need some TLC. More nail stuff for 41, Moonwalk. It's a black or white item. I have the Jessica Nails Nourish Therapeutic Cuticle Formula. I would like to finish 8 uses on this. So far I've done 6. I have like a little dip in there though, but I just need to get 2 more uses on it, and I should have already had it done, but again, finding time to take care of myself is kind of difficult. Moving on to my first of the empties rollouts, 73, We Are the World. It's a universal product that anyone can use. I chose a massaging bath soap because literally anyone can use that, and yeah, it's done finally. It smelled really nice. I liked it. Next is 45, Can't Buy Me Love. It's a free gift with purchase, which I generally don't get those because I really don't usually get them. So I got like the free birthday gift. This is Tarte Party. I want to say it was Ulta birthday gift 4, 5, 6 years ago. I don't remember how long it's been. And I want to finish this one. I did have pan on it before, but it has slightly expanded. So hopefully I will have a lot more pan for you next update. Next we have 6, Eye of the Tiger. That's obviously going to be an eye product. So I chose this shadow from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. I just pressed it into here. My goal is going to be to hit pan. I definitely have like a good dip. Hopefully it will show up on the camera. And my goal is to have this done by the next update. And I think I'm going to be able to do it. I hope I'm going to be able to do it. All right, next is 20, Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Bueller. It's a wild or out of your comfort zone product. Blue eyeshadow. Also from Coastal Scents 88. I definitely have a dip in there. I've been using this to set my eyeliner some days if I have, a look that it will coordinate with. So again, goal to hit pan on that one. And I'm going to hopefully have that done with the teal. I do wear these together sometimes, so we'll see how that goes. Next one is a rollout, and I forgot to pull one of my products. I forgot to pull a product. There it is. It's in my basket. For 11 Breakfast Club, it is a product that covers or conceals. I chose the NYX Lavender Color Corrector. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I've done that. So that one is going to roll out. It's going to go right back in my collection. And let's see, 65, Girls Just Want to Have Fun. It's a fun or colorful item. I have the e.l.f. Cream Eyeliner in Punk Purple. And my goal is to use this 5 times. So far, I've only used it once because I have 6 million eyeliners that I'm trying to work on. But, you know, I can get 4 more uses on that. Not a problem. So that is what I have rolled out, what is continuing on. Now, I need to hopefully put in the screenshot or screen grab of me rolling on this. So I'm going to insert that here, hopefully. Okay, I got number 30 Mullet. That is a favorite hair product, and that credit goes to Deb. As well as number 3, which is 16 Candles, a product that makes all your wishes come true. That's not easy. Neither one of these was going to be very easy for me because my favorite hair products, they're already in projects. Like, they're all in projects already. And I mean, while I have backups for some of them, I need to get through the first ones first that take a while. So I chose a specific hair category, and I chose my favorite product from that specific hair category, which is hair color, because it's not something that's going to be a huge conflict. And I might actually get it done because, you know, like, I have natural ashy tones in my hair. There are a couple grays in there, but I've noticed when I edit, my hair looks way gray, even though that's not all gray. That's just my ashy tones in here. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are some gray in there, but not the way it looks on camera. But this is getting washed out. The warm tones are coming back in full force. And I kind of want to grow out my ashy tones just so it like matches up. So I've been kind of in this demi-permanent color thing, which kind of clings to where I had my old color and highlights and stuff like that. And it does wash out eventually, not as fast as it does on like virgin hair, but it kind of tempers that warmth, that brassiness that I get when, you know, it's been a while. So I'm going to bring in my favorite hair color, which is the Ion Demi Permanent. This one is in 7N, which is medium natural blonde. It has natural ash tones to it. So hopefully it will tone down some of this brassiness in the end. I do need a haircut, which some of that will get cut off. You can see my natural color underneath. It will eventually all be my natural color because this doesn't stick to my natural hair color for more than like a couple of weeks. So that is going to be my favorite hair product for the purposes of this project. It is my favorite hair color that I like. Of all the things that I own, this is it. Because I did not want to put fuchsia and I did not want to put Poseidon blue because then I would end up with green hair if I did the blue because of, you know, the orangey kind of tones that I have here. It wouldn't be pretty because it pulls yellow sometimes. Yeah, I don't think I want green hair. Not right now anyway. All right, moving on to number 3, 16 Candles, a product that makes all your wishes come true. I don't know. I'm just kind of winging it here because I don't know that any product is ever going to make all my wishes come true. So I'm going to bring in the NYX, they call it a glitter primer. We always call it glitter glue because I struggle getting my shimmers and my glitters sometimes to really pop. Even though I wet them, sometimes they don't give me enough pop. So I'm going to put in the glitter glue for 5 uses. So hopefully it will make all my glittery dreams come true when I'm using my glitters and my pigments and stuff that kind of need this to give that pop. All right, I am done with all of this. That was a little nerve-wracking trying to figure out what to bring in because everything's a conflict right now. I just got too much stuff. And I've got all of my makeup and beauty products videos coming up with Dana and Misty soon. So be on the lookout for that, and you will understand why I'm a little overwhelmed and trying to not have conflict in my projects. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out everyone that has joined in, as well as Jaylon, who created this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see my next video, have a beautiful day.